Olá a todos, eu sou a Lia. Bem-vindos de volta ao meu canal.
Bonjour à tous, je suis Léa. Does it seem like my language talent just suddenly exploded? Actually, that version of me wasn't really me. Honestly, whenever I'm about to create new content, the part that gives me the biggest headache is all the prep before filming. I have to do my makeup, set up the lighting, write the script, and if I'm not in the right mood, I end up re-recording again and again. But over the past 2 weeks, I tried something new. I used AI to create a digital version of myself. I'm gonna take you on a deep dive into the tool that has seriously freed up my content workflow, HeyGen. And say this up front, after using it, I genuinely feel like it could change the way we create videos in the future. AI avatars aren't exactly a brand new concept. So why am I talking about HeyGen specifically? Because the recent Avatar 4 update is honestly really impressive. In the past, whenever AI tried to imitate a real person, it always felt a little stiff, right? But now, Avatar V solves identity consistency at the model level, not as a post-processing patch applied after the fact. The skin texture, the way the eyes move, even body language while speaking, it all feels very close to real people. And the most important part is this: it doesn't just look like, it understands how to perform like. All I need to do is type in a script, and it can deliver the video using my voice, my expressions, and my presence. That means even if I'm sitting at home in pajamas, doing absolutely nothing, I can still generate a professional talking head video in about a minute. By now, you're probably wondering, is it complicated to create avatar like this? Or how exactly do you make your own digital double? No, it's not complicated at all. Now we're on the dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the main menu, avatars, translation, brand, apps, and projects. Of course, if you want to use any feature, you can also just click the feature cards on the right or type at the top. I have to say, HeyGen's entry points are really simple and straightforward. All right, let's log in first. Once we're logged in, we can go straight to the avatar feature. To create your own AI avatar with HeyGen, there's actually very little you need to do manually. You just need to record yourself for 15 seconds or upload a few minutes of real footage of yourself. Ideally, you should speak naturally and expressively for those 15 seconds with some natural body movement. Make sure your environment is quiet and well lit. Then the AI will automatically start learning your facial expressions and voice. As you can see, I uploaded a video I recorded earlier, and in about a minute, it generated a digital version of me. Next, paste in the script I prepared, choose my cloned voice, and select video resolution. Then, I click Generate and wait for a bit. And there it is. Let's take a look at the result.
2 years ago, Apple announced its first foray into artificial intelligence. Built largely on in-house models, Apple Intelligence promised to turn the iPhone maker's boneheaded Siri assistant into a perspicacious PA as clever as the whizziest chatbot.
For someone like me who really cares about efficiency, this is honestly a lifesaver. For example, if I want to quickly make a video sharing the latest AI news, I don't need prepare anything, even the lighting anymore. I can simply write the content on my computer, open HeyGen, choose my avatar, follow the same simple steps, and the video is done. Besides AI avatars, HeyGen has a jaw-dropping feature: the video translation I showed you at the start. If you want to create global content or publish your videos on overseas platforms, this feature is seriously powerful. HeyGen's video translation isn't just adding a translated voiceover on top of your video. That feels very unnatural. What HeyGen does is actually redesign your mouth movements with AI based on the target language. The lip sync is incredibly accurate. It doesn't feel awkward at all. So this isn't just translation. It's helping you break through language barriers. No matter what you're talking about, HeyGen can help people around the world understand what you want to share. To be honest, even though I introduce practical AI tools on this channel, I've also been thinking a lot about the boundary between AI and real people. I don't think creating a digital avatar with HeyGen is about replacing our personality. It's more about using AI to handle the repetitive, time-consuming parts of content creation. Whether you need to quickly make training videos or product demos, or you're an educator who wants to translate your courses into multiple languages and share them globally, or maybe you're a solo creator like me and you want to spend more energy on ideas instead of all the tedious production work, then HeyGen is definitely worth trying. Of course, there are some barriers, like the cost of subscribing to advanced features, but in my opinion, if the time it saves you can be used to create more valuable content, then it's a pretty worthwhile investment. Alright, that's my deep dive into HeyGen for today. If you also want to create your own AI digital avatar, or you just want to try HeyGen's translation feature, I've put the link in the description below. You can go check it out for free. If you like this video and want to see more useful and fun AI tools, don't forget to hit my subscribe button. I'm Leah. See you in the next video. Bye!